It a record, it a tape, guys I never rape. But yo, differently. You know, say a long time, me I try telling us say, man and woman different in the youth. Long time me I telling you know, me I show a video you know, with a lady you know, them she call herself Cashie. She a talk about she don't want to give herself to no man because she don't know if the man them want her for she and she's scared and that's why she can't date nobody.
Problem is me don't know if somebody want me for me. And that's why I not give nobody no chance because I don't know what they want from me. And because me don't know what people want from me, I'm scared to give anyone a chance with me. Because me don't know what they really want from me. But I can't do this by myself, bro.
A long time I try telling us say man and woman are the same, you know. Man and woman are the same. You have woman who think them can be like a man. But if any woman who think she can be like a man, there's something wrong with her head, you know. She lose a screw. And she not really lose no screw. And not really she lose no screw. Her perspective just tainted and them unrealistic and don't want to accept what reality is. You understand me? Them want to power up themselves because them feel a bit of masculinity. I feel like them can amount it to the weight of a man's masculinity. We all have the same elements. Man have feminine energy elements, woman have masculine elements, but man role in a masculinity and woman role in a femininity. You understand me? The feminine nature has a lot to do with being afraid and scared. The masculine nature have a lot to do with being strong, brave, and logical. So that's why you see mostly man do what them do. But some of the time when you have some young females, you see the young one them, and them don't want to accept reality, you know. Them don't want to accept reality because them feel like say, oh, them love to equate themselves to a man. Like them are gonna say, okay, if the boy there sleep with 10 girl, why if me sleep with 10 man is a problem? I know we think it's a problem. It is just a problem because you yourself, the female that you are, I think you know you're gonna tell us say, yo, this not feel too right, you know. And you're gonna know saying alright. But something about your ego and woman with ego is just not so intelligent because a ego is really a man's thing. Just like our masculinity, we all have the same element, but we real man rule more in an egotistical behavior than females do. Females is more of a sacred type of being than a man is. You understand? So, anytime you find a woman that try to equate themselves with a man, just know say, because them not learn yet. Cause look upon Cashie, now she talk sense. She don't want to give herself to nobody. You think you're going to find a 35, 25, 45, 55-year-old man, I talk about him not want to give him cocky to a girl because he don't know for the right one. And that's how we're wired. We're not wired like that. So, this is to prove to my claim, say woman and man is so different. Right now, around the world, you can find 1 million women that shares the same sentiment like Cashie. But you're not going to really find a man share the type of sentiment there. I thought about we not give a cocky because we don't know it for the right person. And that's a man role. You understand me? And that's a man role, man. So females, hope the video kind of prove to you more and help you better understand the nature that govern you. Because the next thing, I'm pretty sure, say Cashie never always think like this. Pretty sure when she younger, she feel like she could have fuck as much as she want. But I know reality hits. Reality are reality. Yeah, man. I go show us say, man and woman different. And I not really try to draw the thing, because I don't want to draw the thing too much. But just a little pantily explanation. You see how woman feel like them can do what man can do. And want to do what man can do. Because them not logical. And let me show you why. I not diss honor, because I not diss people. Them say me done, you know. But me's a educator, you know. Me educate people, you know. But me I show you why, right? Alright. So a man will never think say him want to be like a woman and does what a woman do. I'm talking about a heterosexual man, an alpha male. I'm not talking about no other type of man. You understand me? I talk about a heterosexual, an alpha male will never say, oh, a female do that. A female want, like how Cashie says she don't want to give herself to nobody. You're not going to find a man that talk about, oh, I can be like Cashie. Even though we know that we can, and we really can't. Once you have a working cocky, it's like you really can't. I talk about a cocky will get stiff by you, in your sleep without even you trying to make it hard, you know. If you're a real man like that, you can't be like no woman. And we know that, and we never try to equate ourselves with a woman. But we find a woman always a talk about, we can't be like a man, or want to argue about why it's a problem if she try to be like a man. You understand me? So that make it illogical. Because if you know, say, man have them own lane in this world, and woman have them own lane. A man compliment woman, and a woman compliments a man. You don't know that? You don't understand them type of logics there. That fully logical, man. If you don't see no logic in that, you're illogical. That a that, cat a cat, and rat a rat. Out my out. Big up on the damn self.